Good morning. I am welcoming you back again in this SciLab elective course. We were discussing SciLab, but during that, some students were feeling that we are having some non-common to the videos you are preparing. So I am going to explain you that how you can remove that uncommon things. Here, in most of my video, I am having this type of screen appearing on here. If your mouse is somewhere here or here your these menus were different. See, this is something having file, filter, and question mark. Here you are having file, edit, and question mark. Here you are having file, help. Here you are having file, question mark. And if your mouse is here, you are having file, edit, control, application, and question mark. So all these windows are different. See, this is file browser, this is console, this is variable browser, this is history, and this is newsfeed. For example, if I want to arrange this window, see, I can do that. Even I can bring that out from this just to see. I have made it this way, correct? So this newsfeed is a separate window. All windows are set inside this. So if you are not able to see these for example variable browser, for example file browser, you are having just empty screen like this, then what the process you have to follow? So go to the edit, then preferences. In that, in general desktop layout, you are having integrated and say to reset layout. But before that, you see here, if you will reset, it is saying that are you sure to want to restore the default layout on next starter? If you will say yes and apply and OK, what happens to your screen is this will not be changed in this screen itself. So for that, you have to close this window and reopen it. For closing it, it is saying that are you sure to close the SciLab? Say yes. Then open your SciLab again. It is taking time. Wait a minute. See, the screen is on and I can see this. You can go to your original directory back while using whatever you want. So I am now in my original SciLab directory. Okay. If you don't want to use the file browser, you can close it. Again, whenever you are required, you can recall it. So this is the way to get the SciLab console with all these features. Okay. So I am stopping this session. This was just for this information.